Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today this is a menu plan with me video, and I'm going to share with you guys pretty much how I menu plan for my family. I'm going to start off by showing you guys how I plan on a weekly basis. Hopefully in another video I'll be able to share with you how I plan for the entire month. But without further ado, let's get started. So I have my meal planning insert that I have, and it's my Inkwell planner inserts for the weekly meal plan. And this is an old one. I keep about a month or two inside of my planner, and then I take them out. This is a new sheet that I will be using, and what I try to do is compare the items that I had from the week prior, so I'm not making like the same old stuff for my family. This is from week 2-4, and I pretty much know what I make for my family on a weekly basis. Try to mix it up as much as possible, and of course there's just some items that they love. We have it weekly. First, I like to start off with, this is just a list of some of the recipes that my family loves. I have it front and back. These are recipes. These are like my go-to recipes if I can't think of anything, or recipes that they just, if I make it weekly, they're fine with it. This is the new insert, and it also has a grocery list on the back. So the first thing that I like to do is go to my actual planner and make sure that I don't have anything planned. Just go to my planner. Make sure that there's nothing planned for that day. There's nothing planned for the week of the 18th. There was like a birthday party. This is a great example. I didn't really get to fill in planner for the month of February, but my son's 16th birthday is on the 27th. Our anniversary is on the 25th. Most likely Saturday and Sunday we will be eating out. I have to make sure to add those, and that's why it's so important to look at my schedule prior to making my meal plan, because I know that these 2 days we are not eating at home most likely. I will put like a backup dinner idea just in case, but this definitely does coincide with what I menu plan for my family. And the first thing, and I'm so sorry guys, I'm left-handed, completely plan different from myself, but typically everyone is away from the house during the day. Don't typically do breakfast or lunch unless it's the weekends. Dinner, I would want this to be, actually my son, he doesn't have school these 2 days, so we will be doing lunch. Is pretty much the layout for the 18th. Before someone says in the comments, oh my gosh, you're having that much fries for your family. All right, so that's not 100% the case. I can't think of any size. It's really like whatever I feel like doing. Like with the barbecued, I know we have like scalloped potatoes, we have Velveeta as like the starchy stuff. No, and again the rice. If I don't feel like making rice, if I'm making the barbecue chicken, I'll put the scalloped potatoes in the oven, because everything will just go in the oven. And then maybe we'll do like a corn on the cob. I'll put the corn on the cob in the oven as well. Based on these items, and I know like I said, there's a lot of french fries in there. Most likely they're gonna have french fries maybe once, maybe twice, if that. Because sometimes they don't want, if I make a lot of something, they don't want sides with